In the heart of the Mediterranean, there is a city that has it all. Hospitable and open to the world. Friendly, bright and warm. A place to work and enjoy. Sea, mountains, crops and city. With a pleasant, relaxed and festive lifestyle that welcomes you. Valencia is past, present and future. A city with worldwide recognition. According to Forbes, it is the best city to live in the world. Among other awards, our city is semi-finalist for the European Capital of Innovation. And in this environment, it has one of the most advanced police forces in Europe. The Valencia Local Police. We are innovative and avant-garde. We respect, protect and work for the citizens, guaranteeing their safety and well-being. We are pioneers in R&D, in the use of applications of cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art digital tools. We are experts in handling critical situations in many different areas. Our experience has enabled us to host major events, to face difficult security challenges from an international perspective.
We have the technology and the perfect scenarios for testing. We have the experience, more than 30 projects since 2005, success stories and other awards. But most importantly, we have the attitude and the commitment with innovation and research in order to continuously improve the security service we provide to our community.
We have a real and effective test bank where we try out pilot tests. Our comprehensive security center. Highly technological facilities where we implement advanced solutions to improve efficiency, resilience, citizen safety. We create innovative and efficient projects oriented towards an advanced concept of smart and safe city. We handle and manage security and mobility with a solid base of advanced technology that incorporates digital cybersecurity and artificial intelligence solutions as the foundation of all our actions. We are specialists prepared to face and overcome any international challenge. And our city is also prepared to receive and host all kinds of situations, being a unique framework for experimentation and investigation in security matters. Valencia, and us, its local police, are waiting for you. Together, we will make it possible.